I enrolled this ProjectPro for the data science projects only. But I got to know about the big data as well. And in every day and every moment, you could face any problem.
Correct.
And I think in that the ProjectPro would be immense helpful.
Hello, everyone. It is said that customers are your biggest cheerleaders and your biggest critics. So today we have with us Dhiren Garg, ProjectPro's most valuable customer for the last 8 months approximately. Welcome and thank you for sharing your story with our viewers, Dhiren. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pragya, for welcoming me here. So it would be great be here and sharing my own story with ProjectPro.
So why don't you start by telling us more about yourself, who you are, what do you do?
Okay. So I'm total having 14 years of IT experience. And initial 9 years, I was into the data engineering role. And last 5 years, I'm into the data scientist role. So right now, I'm currently working in UKG. UKG's company, Ultimate Kronos Group in Noida. And here my role designation is of principal software engineer, and I'm handling the data science project there. And basically, I'm working on the natural language processing projects.
Okay. Yeah. So, Dhiren, I had once read Steve Jobs say that any company or any person basically just needs to get very close to their customers. So close, in fact, that, we tell them what they need before they realize it themselves.
Yes.
So before you joined ProjectPro, did you realize the need of a product like this?
Definitely, because I was struggling with few issues while I was doing some projects in my company. So because doing the POC and learning on is one part. Because if you want to learn something on machine learning side or data science side, so there are various platforms on which you can learn by own, and you can pay and you can learn. But the ProjectPro is the one platform which I found that here you get some expert advice. Because on the daily basis there are many real time challenges which you face, and you need some expert advice so that you could resolve all those issues, and that were not getting when you are working with some other courses. And the ProjectPro is the one platform which could provide you all those amenities. Like the mentors here in the ProjectPro are so adorable. I would say like adorable is the one word, because they are ready to help you in any manner. For few instances, I could say that I was working on one company project, and I was working on one hackathon. So I was stuck in both. So I was not sure that where to go and to whom to ask that how I would resolve all these issues. So then I found the ProjectPro as a platform, and I enrolled that, and I subscribed to those mentors, and they were ready to help me in any way, and that helped me to resolve all those issues. So in that way, I feel that the ProjectPro is one of the platform which everyone should use, so that on a daily basis, whenever you find any issue, then there is something or someone is there to help you any manner. So that was the main objective for me to looking for the ProjectPro.
I see. Okay. And Dhiren, you enrolled with us after you had finished a PG diploma course also, and that too was from a very reputed institution.
Yes.
So what made you choose us? Like you had done that, you were already working into the
Yeah.
IT field, into data engineering. What made you
Yes,
choose us?
as I explained you that the PG program that gave me the basic knowledge of machine learning. So all the concepts I learned from there: basic ML concepts, deep learning concepts, NLP concepts, and CNN concepts. But in real time, whatever the challenges I'm facing during my company project or during my hackathons, so there was no platform on that on PG course that they provide me all those solutions. So that's why I was looking for some help, and the ProjectPro provided me that help. So that is the reason. That's why I moved it, because the ProjectPro is kind of that platform which give you the expertise during the real-time scenarios that you are facing some issues, and at that moment you need to resolve them, and you need some expertise who are already working on all those solutions. and all those problem statements. So because I could see that all the mentors which there are in Project Pro, they are the industry experts. So they can guide you better way. But during those, in these PG courses, all those are the teachers. They could taught you the basic course, not the industry level problem statements. So that's why I was more inclined to the Project Pro, because, and also if you directly go to Project Pro, then I would say that some aspirants or data science experts, they could find the hindrance to grasp all those things, because all those mentors here in the Project Pro, they taught you in very advanced level. They already assume that you know all the basics. And that's why you could grasp the things very quickly if you already know all those facts. So the PG program helped me to get that insight, that basic level knowledge, and Project Pro helped me to get the expertise on the real level problems.
Got it. Oh, so that makes it perfect sense. So you had the theoretical knowledge from your PG diploma, and here you're gaining all the practical experience that you are.
Yeah.
Isn't it? So super. Yeah, that's super helpful. How did you first hear about us?
It was random. Reason being because I was looking for something from Google that which could help me to that, because in our company, so I was working on one project that was forecasting project, and I was already working on the NLP project. So forecasting is something different from the NLP, and so we don't know that how to start for that forecasting project. So I was looking for the forecasting projects on the Google, and so that I could get some insight from there. So I found the Project Pro, and in Project Pro you have already implemented all those forecasting algorithms, and there are 5 or 6 projects already mentioned in that Project Pro list. So I was keen to know all those things, that how you have implemented all those forecasting algorithms. So that was the one instance. So I inclined to the Project Pro. And second thing was, doing the POC is one thing, but when you have to practically implement that on the product level, that you need to know that where to deploy, how to deploy, which languages to be used to deployment of the product. So for that, you also need some expertise advice.
Correct.
And so already when I was Googling, and in Project Pro, I could see that there are multiple projects on the MLOps, and even the source code is also available there. So I was more inclined to the Project Pro, being that already you have coded all those algorithms, you have implemented those, or you are sharing the source code as well. So that was immense help to me. And I took the guidance from there. I checked all those projects, and on the basis of that, I implemented in my own company and even in the hackathons. And so I could establish all those goals which we have in the company. So that's why the Project Pro helped me in that way. And that was a random search, because on the list I go to know about Project Pro. Then even after Project Pro, I connect to some employees. I think already few feedbacks on the Project Pro site. They have mentioned few customer feedbacks. So I connect them on the LinkedIn as well to get to know that what is the Project Pro, and actually they are helping in that manner or not. So I think 2 or 3 guys I was connecting, and they told me that Project Pro is the best option. You could get the immense help from there. And after that, I enrolled to the Project Pro.
I see. So it came upon as a chance to you that you Googled and you stumbled upon. Was it your aha moment that, yeah, this is what I have been waiting for?
This was when I implemented all those guidance which I got from the mentors in my own project in the company, and my management was saying that, okay, you have achieved a good work. At that moment, I got to know that yes, it's great to get the Project Pro. And I think Project Pro is one of things. It's not for this moment, but I think on the later, because this is the long journey, and in every day and every moment you could face any problem.
Correct.
And I think in that the Project Pro would be immense help for everyone.
Yeah, that's yeah. In fact, a part of what you answered here also answers the next question that I was about to ask you.
Okay, which one?
I wanted to ask you about how you use Project Pro, and how do you find that process? Is it easy? Is it difficult?
No, process is quite easy to get enrolled on the Project Pro. I think I was enrolled on the Project Pro within 1 or 2 days.
Okay.
I just had a call with one of your colleague, and they told me that okay, you just have to make a payment and you will get enrolled, and day after tomorrow you will have the access to the all the materials. So actually, I was doing one project on forecast in my own company, and since I was working on the NLP sort of projects, so I was not aware about how to pursue those projects. So I was looking for for guidance, and I googled it, and then I came to know that in the Project Pro, you have already mentioned that 4 or 5 projects based on the forecasting. So I was inclined to Project Pro. So I enrolled to Project Pro, and then I could see that you have already done all those projects in the similar lines in which we want in our company. So I have benefited from there very much, and I uh, got that code and implemented the same in our own company, and that benefited me. And second thing was that I was doing one hackathon, and in that hackathon I was not getting the accuracy, and for that accuracy I checked with mentor, and the mentor has guided me that these are the key areas on which I need to work upon. So I have changed my that code, and then I got the good accuracy in that. So I think the mentorship from the Project Pro is the best part.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
Okay. So, when you say mentorship is the best part, is that you will say the highlight of our product right now, that this is where you are really benefiting from, or the projects that you use on the platform? Let's say we right now have around 253 projects live. So the combination of both is how would you say that is
So
beneficial for you?
projects and mentorship both go one by one. Means like if you want to read those all those projects and you want to enhance your own knowledge, then see I'm working on NLP projects only, but I want to learn some CNN projects. So this is the one platform where I could see that around 40 or 50 projects on the CNN only, computer convolution neural networks.
Hmm.
So I could get a chance to learn all those projects. So it has enhanced my knowledge as well. Secondly, we have the access to the big data projects. So
Hmm.
all the latest tech stack, uh, we can get the knowledge from there as well. So all those things are adding up on your own knowledge. And mentorship, I'm saying that best one because whenever you're stuck somewhere, you need immediate guidance,
Hmm.
and there is no any other platform where you can get that guidance.
Hmm.
So you can get the source code from the GitHub as well. But
Correct.
the mentorship, because code is there, but how to read that code? If you're stuck somewhere, then mentors can help in that. So that's why the mentorship from the Project Pro is the on the top priority,
Hmm.
because you can get the immediate resolution or solution of that problem statement. And second thing is that there are n number of projects and diversified projects on the big data, on the ML, and even in the ML there is more diversified projects.
Hmm.
So all this help us to enhance the knowledge.
Got it. I have a follow-up question to this, Dhiren. You said we have n number of projects. So to get your feedback here, you think for a user, 250 projects are helpful and are needed, or will it be okay if we just have five also on the platform and that will be fine?
No, I think if there are more projects, and it would be more beneficial. Reason being, in the 5 projects, if you say you will be having only 5 projects, then those 5 projects will not contain all those information which you could pass on to the data science aspirants,
Hmm.
because all the details cannot be added in one project.
Correct.
Every project taught you something different.
Hmm.
So and and to tackle each problem statement, so there would be a new algorithm. So for that you need the new project. So it would be better if you keep on adding the new projects on a daily basis, and this number could go beyond 250 to 100,000 or 2,000. So that would be beneficial. Merely 5 projects would not benefit.
Got it. Got it. Yeah, that is super helpful.
Yeah.
Next question that I have for you, Dhiren, is when you started your journey with Project Pro, what were the key performance indicators or metrics that you were tracking throughout your journey? And what sort of changes and improvements do you see after using our project solutions?
When I get a chance to go through all the projects, then the one basic change I could find in myself is that the approach to tackle that problem statement. Because for single problem statement in the project pro, I could see that there are 4 or 5 projects and 5 mentors. They are giving the different approaches for that. So to tackle one problem with 5 solutions, so that has the broad the horizon view. Like that, you could get that how to solve those problem in 5 solutions. So that was the one thing which I get from the project.
I see. So you wanted more number of approaches to
Approaches to solve that problem.
particular problem. So that is what you were tracking throughout.
Yeah.
Got it. And these are so number of approaches is something that you can easily measure in numbers, that one mentor will probably go in one approach, another will probably go in one approach. But I'm sure during your subscription membership that you have been with ProjectPro, there would have been some unexpected, or I would say less quantifiable benefits of the product.
I don't think so that there is any less quantifiable benefits. All the benefits which I am getting from the Project Pro enhanced my own skills. So if you want to less quantifiable benefits, I think because I enrolled this Project Pro for the data science projects only, but I got to know about the big data as well.
Got it.
So big data is not my stream, but yes, the latest tech which is being used in the industry, I go to know that. So I think that would benefit me in my future companies.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah. So even though you were not looking for something in big data, you log into the platform every day, you see those projects, and you're aware of what is happening in big data.
What is happening and how to solve all those projects in the big data platform as well. So correct. I think that added to my knowledge only.
Got it. Makes sense. And my next question would be more around the experience of using Project Pro, as in how do you like the experience from the moment you joined till today that we are doing this story? How do you like the experience?
It is the great experience. Reason being because at day one when I joined the Project Pro, so I was not aware about that. I was only working on the few limited area on the NLP problem statements only. But after logging to the Project Pro, I could see that how to I have learned that how to deploy all those projects. What are the various different deployment platforms, and which languages I could use to deploy all those algorithms. So all those things I have learned from the Project Pro. So technically, I'm becoming more sound. So I would say in that terms.
And anytime you've had any issue on the platform, if the videos have got stuck, our team has been super helpful in solving those problems for you?
I have not seen any such sort of issues that videos are getting stuck. So the streaming was good and of the videos. So whenever I'm able to access anything I need to access, so that was easily accessible. I'm not facing any issue in that.
So you'll say it's an easily accessible platform, easy to use.
Easy to access. It would be more beneficial if you keep on adding more and more things. So it would be better for all those who have enrolled the project.
Got it.
Even we don't know that what extra we could get added into the Project Pro. But if you keep on adding any new technologies and new things based on the machine learning or the big data side or on the languages side, so it would help all those aspirants who who have enrolled for the big data, but might after looking into the data science projects, he get the inclination about the data science projects and he changed their own profile. That okay, no, data science is the good one, so better I choose that portfolio. So
got it.
Could help in that. Yes.
Yeah, technologies we are definitely working on. All these definitely we are working on. The team is working round the clock to add more and more things. So, one thing I want to understand is you already mentioned technology. We should keep adding more projects. We should keep adding. What feature or any option on the website should we add that could enhance your experience of using this platform?
What feature? A feature in terms of, I would say that the new technical platforms. See, if you see that right now, the blockchain is one technology which is on boom. So you could add the blockchain technology and how to use that technology and what is blockchain. And secondly, basic videos of platform like that, say example of data science. So the basic video that how to understand that data science, what is the data science, because in the Project Pro, I feel that you can learn all those projects if you have the basic understanding of the machine learning. But there are no such videos which give you the knowledge about the machine learning. So, or very few videos on that. Or if you have videos, those are the few articles only. Uh, that are the missed knowledge. I have read few articles, but it would be better if you have the separate videos which teach us about machine learning or big data or blockchain. So that would be more helpful. Reason being, so any guy who enroll you, that would get the basic ML knowledge as well and industry level knowledge, both.
Got it. Got it. Yeah, makes perfect sense. Yeah. Okay. My last question to you, Dhiren, is do you have any suggestions or what would you like to say are other users who are facing the same challenges right now as you did in the past before joining this platform?
Uh, I would say that whoever, because this platform is for data aspirants and those who are already experienced with the data science, both they can use this platform. And this platform is not in that way that okay, you have learned something and you can forget it, or you can leave the Project Pro. This Project Pro is keep on going, and on a daily basis, whenever you are facing some challenges, and Project Pro is there to help you. So all the aspirants, I would say that this Project Pro would help you in any manner, because the mentors here are genuinely there to help you. So if you need anything related to Project Pro or data science projects, or even on the personal front, uh, say if you want to prepare the resume, or if you are not getting the calls from the interview and you need some guidance that how to get the interview calls, then these mentors are the great help. So everyone who want to do something in data science and they want to learn the practical part, so the Project Pro is going to help you anytime.
Got it. Got it. Okay. Yeah, these are some really valuable feedback and valuable insights that you have just talked about, Dhiren. And thank you so much once again for doing this with us.
Thank you.
We hope you continue your journey with Project Pro for a
I will
very,
keep
very
on.
long
I
time.
will keep on continuing, but yes, I will keep on continuing. I think my subscription is getting ended on December, so
Okay.
I will renew it on December as well.
Got it. Oh, that's awesome. Awesome.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you so much for doing this, Dhiren. Thanks a lot.